Welcome to BankX. There's a lot to the BankX system, but it's very easy to get started. So you want to use Chrome or the Brave browser and then MetaMask or Wallet Connect. I'm going to show you how to set up your MetaMask wallet and to connect to the BankX app. Then to show you how to buy XSD, how to mint XSD stablecoin, and then if you'd like to buy BankX and the NFT, how you lock up those tokens for more rewards. So let's take a look. So here you first want to go to, I use MetaMask, so I'll show you how to set that up. You just go to metamask.io/download, and you can click Chrome or Brave, whichever browser you're using, and select that, and then you just install it. You want to follow along with what they want you to do. The key thing is that you want to write down what's called your seed phrase. It'll be a series of words, and that's how you can recover your wallet if something happens to your browser or your computer or laptop. So what you want to do, you don't want to store that on your computer. You want to write it down physically on paper and do 2 copies of it. And I would store it in like a fireproof lockbox or something like that. So once you have all of that done and you're set up with a wallet, you'll see this little red fox, which is your wallet. I use it as an extension, right? So then come to BankX.io. And then all you have to do is click on Buy XSD. And that's going to take you to this page where it's going to talk all about XSD and how we're different. And you want to connect your wallet here. So you just do that. Now your wallet's connected, and you can see on this really talks through so people can see what BankX is, what we have different in the market. And then you'll see a swap box that's very similar to Uniswap. So you would just type in how many XSD you would like, and then you just click swap and then follow the prompts on your wallet as it pulls it up. And then you'll see XSD in your wallet. The other thing that you could do is you could come to basically you just type in app.bankx.io, or you can launch the app here on the website, which will take you here, and you connect your wallet. Just do that also. So one thing you will have to do after you buy XSD is you will want to click on BankX and click on XSD separately, and it's going to add what's called the token address to your wallet so that you can see it. So that's one thing that you want to do after you've purchased it. You can also purchase it here in the web app. So buying XSD is the same way. You can see the swap box, and you would type in how much you want to buy. And then it'll tell you if you run out, right? Or you can click max, and then you could buy the max amount of XSD that you can with the amount of tokens that you have in your wallet. So you'll need to own whatever chain you're on, you'll need to own that token. So here is where you pick which chain you like. So you Arbitrum, Avalanche, Binance, Ethereum, Phantom, Optimism, Polygon. So whatever chain you like to purchase XSD or be involved with BankX, you go there. So that's how to buy XSD. I want to also show you how to mint XSD. So you can see here that the XSD price is 12 cents, with silver currently at $1.10. So that it is better off to buy since it is not at the price of silver yet. So when it gets to the price of silver, you would be able to mint XSD to earn interest in the form of more BankX tokens. And so we'll go to a chain here where you can see that. So that will enable the mint screen once you have the price of XSD at or above the price of silver. So you just type in how much XSD you'd like to mint, and it will allow you to do that from here. So it's very simple. You just click mint and follow the instructions there. If you want to buy BankX, you come back to the swap screen, and what you could do with BankX is lock it up in token lockup rewards, which I'll show. So it's the same thing. You click on BankX, and this is a notification that I'll tell you about here in a minute. That's kind of a bonus how-to. So you would, same way, how much BankX do you want to buy? And you would be able to do the same swap and own BankX. You can then which go to the NFT, which boosts the rewards. You could choose to buy how many you like here. It boosts your rewards by 10% per NFT that you lock up. So if you know this is getting more into an intermediate level BankX user, where once you purchase BankX, once you purchase the NFT, you can then go to token lockup rewards, choose the amount of BankX, choose how long you like to, and then once you have NFTs, you can select them here and then just click lockup, follow that prompts in your wallet. So that's how you get started with BankX. So if you remember when we were swapping BankX, there was this message that said, do you want more BankX than what you would get here? What we do is offer rewards in the form of more BankX for adding to our liquidity pools. So if you can wait 1 week, as it indicates here, 2 weeks or 3 weeks, depending on what the offer is, you would get 9% more in BankX. So by selling into the liquidity pool, you get your principal and additional BankX, in this case 9%, and then you would get an additional 5% in XSD. So that's sort of a bonus how-to here in the getting started of BankX.